time for anything. Everyone is running around doing things. Nobody has time for birthdays, nobody has time for gifts. People are running around to even get time to spend time with their family. What do? You have a birthday, you just get a gift for the formality's sake, right? So here we are, I am Iti Midhul and we present to you Reminiscence. What is this about? You feel like you're losing personal touch in everything these days. You go to the market, you just buy someone a gift and you give it, and there is no personal touch. There are some people who think, okay, let's be a little creative. They would go online, order a scrapbook, order a calendar, get that and get it to a person. Again, no personal touch. Probably you have pictures, but no personal touch. What do we do? How did it start? Back in school, when we were kids, we used to go down and be like, oh, it's scrapbook time, all those things, make things for people, put stuff together. Came to college, started making different things, farewell notebooks, all those things. We started getting feedback that they like these things. People love getting something personal, and they don't have time for it. What do? So what we thought was, if they don't have time, what we can do is give them that thing they need. All they need to give us is their photographs, what they need, and we'll do everything for them. The time is safe. People who are creatively challenged can also get nice ideas, nice templates, and we do all of them for that. How are we different? Like I said, you've seen stuff like itasvi.com, which is an Indian site, snapfish.com, which is an international site. They all have stuff like calendars, scrapbooks, same stuff we're selling. What's the difference? It's all printed. You will give a picture, you will give stuff, but the thing that comes out in the end is printed. What do? It is all handmade. We put things together from scratch. We have pictures, we have sketch pens. Just go back to LKG or UKG and you imagine what you used to do. That's what we do for you, again. So we bring it back to childhood. Like I said, the product says scrapbook, photo frames, collages. Next. Target audience, no time, no creativity. So what are we targeting at? Students, working class, birthdays. You have birthdays, you have farewell, you go for a trip, you travel together, you collect collaterals like tickets, you have stuff like passes, you put them together, make a scrapbook for memories. Even like when you have a baby, you want to collect some special moments of the baby, have things together. So that's all that we have. Promotion, how to plan to promote ourselves. It would start by something as simple as Facebook. All these things cannot be shown. You have to actually have that person believe in you. So what we would do is have stuff on Facebook, have stuff on Twitter. We have a website on. We would go to college festivals. That's where our target audience would be. We would go talk to them, show them our products, tell them what we do, and get them interested in ourselves. The financial side of it, what are we looking at? We plan to expand this. Obviously, if we plan to expand it, we cannot handle it together as a team. So we would definitely need artisans. There would be people like people from villages, those ladies who work, they would be brought in here, they would work on things, we're pasting things together. That's all they would do. We need an office, we need inventory. Pricing would be as cheap as 600 per product, that would be maximum. So things can be cheaper at 200 bucks and you have something as cool as something that's creative and has a personal touch. All these things, I can answer if you have more questions on that. And again, what are we looking at? To expand it, probably 3,000 orders in a year. That's not difficult, if you ask me. There are some 30,000 people who have a birthday in a week in Delhi itself. Imagine it actually goes to India and it goes abroad. People outside, they love doing all these things. They don't have time. Everything is done like stick and paste. So obviously it would appeal to them. They would want things to be handmade. So if it's taken everywhere, then you can imagine. So I don't want to talk much, but it's all about showing it. So we have a few things to show to you guys. Just get out of that, thank you. So I would like to show you our website, which we created over the weekend. That would be where all our products, snapshots would be there. You can see what you want, you can give suggestions, you can give photos, you can give collaterals, you can give ideas, you can say, oh, I want a birthday, my friend's birthday is on this, they love movies, they love this movie, we'll create something around it. So stuff like that. So this is the website. That's just website. Yeah, so that's the website. We have a home. Can we go back to home, please? Yeah, we have home where we have all the products, and we have about, and we have contact. And just to show you what kind of work we do, we have a quick video. Actually, we don't have. Okay. You have to pick. Sorry, since we have no time, I know I'm just in the video which you showed you.
Purnak.